We shall be continuing from where we stopped in our last tutorial, which is Introduction to MT4. Today we shall be looking at differences between balance, equity, and free margin. Okay, balance here, this one is what? Is the total cash available to trade, which includes all close-out profits and losses, as well as all deposits and withdrawals applied to your trading account. The second one here, which is equity. Equity are floating profits and loss on top of what? Balance. You understand? Floating profits and loss on top of what? Balance. The last one, which is free margin. Free margin, they are funds. This one here, they are funds, or let me say money required to open a position or to open a trade. Okay, for you to understand deeply what I'm explaining, let's quickly place a trade. For you to place a trade, go back to your chart view, this one here, click on it. Okay, let's click on it. Okay, we have this is a Hero JPY, timing is 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so to place a trade, you click on this plus icon here. I've explained this thing, all those icons in the my previous tutorial. I explained all these icons there. If you haven't watched the video, you can go back to part 1 of it, Introduction to MT4, you understand it better. So let's quickly click on it. Okay, we have instant execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Okay, I will explain these terms later on. Buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Okay, now we are going to take instant execution. Okay, using log size of 0.06. all right. Okay, so we are going to long on this currency pair. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's take a buy. You can see it's already on a lows. Okay, if you look at it very well, the floating is already occurring on the equity. We said what? Equity is what? Floating profits and losses on top of what? Balance. You can see that this particular trade now is fluctuating between profit and losses. If you are losing, the equity is decreasing. If you are winning, that's if you are gaining profit, the equity is increasing. Do you understand? So it's a floating of what? Profits and loss on top of balance. So at the end of the day, when you close this trade, if you close this trade as a loss, it means your equity is going to reduce. But if you close this trade at profit, it means the equity is going to increase. So equity simply means what? Floating of what? Profit and loss on top of what? Balance. Do you understand? So now look at this free margin now. The funds required to trade to open a position. Funds required to open a position. That is simply free margin.